Hi my friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn something new. I have a special book for all of you who love to learn Chinese. Here are 24 topics and more than 500 basic words for you. Okay, let's start. Turn on the power and then open the book.
海月时光有声图书世界，请按左上角的开始键，开启点读吧。
Here you can see the topic of animal paradise. There are many kinds of animals here. Which one do you like best? Do you like lion? How to say lion in Chinese? Let's point here to get the answer. Point start and point lion here.
狮子，狮子，
Do you hear that? Let's try more.
海豚，海豚，狼，狼，猴子，猴子，大猩猩，大猩猩，
Here is the button about penguin, and then you can listen more about penguin.
企鹅，企鹅，企鹅大多生活在南极，是最耐寒的鸟类。海豹，海豹，骆驼，骆驼，老虎，老虎。
And here is the music button. You can point here to enjoy your music.
两只老虎，松鼠，松鼠，袋鼠，袋鼠，斑马，斑马，大象，大象，狐狸，狐狸，考拉，考拉，豹子，豹子，鳄鱼，鳄鱼，大熊猫，大熊猫。 长颈鹿，长颈鹿，
Is that funny? Okay, let's learn the second topic, farm animals. Have you ever known donkey before? Do you know how to say donkey in Chinese? Let's learn together.
猫，猫，猪，猪，小鸡，小鸡，母鸡，母鸡，公鸡，公鸡，螃蟹，螃蟹，小鸭，小鸭，乌龟，乌龟，山羊，山羊，奶牛，奶牛，鸭子，鸭子，兔子，兔子。 小白兔乖乖，青蛙，青蛙，老鼠，老鼠，马，马，鹅，鹅，绵羊，绵羊，狗，狗，驴子，驴子，金鱼，金鱼，水牛，水牛。
If you want to know more, keep on watching our video. We are the Soundbook supplier in China. For more information, please visit our website. See you next time.